Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be unboxing and testing the newest release from Losi, the 22S Sprint Car. This thing looks cool, and let's just see what it's all about. Alright, let's just get right into this here. And yeah, this is another release for the oval track community, which there are some around here. They're being developed, some a little further away than I care to drive. I do have a couple. We got the Mud Boss for Traxxas, or the modified now, not the Mud Boss. Now this guy here, because it's got a couple of the Losi NASCARs. There we go. Alright, look at that. That definitely looks good in green right there. Oh yeah, that's a good looking car. Alright. Yes, got the box here. Got some number stickers, a bunch of the decals. Right there. Alright, let's get this cardboard here and take a closer look. Alright, out of the cardboard, and yeah, this is a good looking race car. Of course, you've seen the sticker sheet it comes with. Also comes with the manual, some tools. You got batteries for your thing, for the transmitter, which is just the standard SLT2. Nothing fancy there. It is a clipless body. Right there. That latch, pull it up, slides out from the front, and just put it back down in there and push it down to get it back in. It is a metal chassis car, which is good, keeps all the weight down low. It is a brushless motor. It is only capable of running 2S. It does have the the new Spectrum stuff, which you're seeing in the Groms and what have you from Arma. But yeah, this is definitely a nice, feels solid. Put that back in there. Just one hand. There you go. So you got a bit of toe in there on the left rear. I don't know if that's by design or what. I should help it turn left, I guess so. Alright, like I said, it's only capable of 2S, but that's really all you need for his racing. Now this wing does come off, so you can run it as a wingless sprint car as well. Kind of a different look, take the front and top wings off. But yeah, it's definitely a good looking car. Let's get a battery charged up, see how it drives, give it a speed run. And like I said, I don't unfortunately have a dirt track available, but maybe we can come up with something, kind of see how this thing drives in circles. Alright guys, battery's charged up, ready to get some driving impressions, do a speed run. Just see how this thing is. I mean, it feels good quality. Of course, Losi's, their chassis are very good. And let's see what this thing's all about. Oh, wheelies! Well, I wasn't expecting it to wheelie. That's the steering trim a little bit. Pulls a little bit. Ooh, spun. It's only two-wheel drive. All the braking's in the rear. I get used to that. But alright. So GPS on it real quick. Let's see how fast it goes. Box advertises 25, but we'll check it out. Alright. How fast does it go? I think I drove it out of range. Huh. I think it's just out of range a little bit. Alright, well, definitely doesn't have a very long range. Probably not necessary for oval track racing, but still, that was a bit surprising. Alright, 25 dead, just like the box advertises. Alright guys, there it is, the Losi Sprint car. It's a really cool car, handles pretty good on the road. And two-wheel drive, braking in the rear, that's a little tricky for me anyway. Other than that, do like it. Did what it was advertised to do speed-wise, 25 miles per hour. And it's just, this thing just feels good quality. Chassis feels nice. Of course, you know, Losi has you know, is known for good chassis. The steering for being RTR, pretty quick right out of the box. Overall, happy with it. Just don't have any dirt ovals near me. There is one being developed, but it's not ready yet for running. When it is though, I'll be out there with this, and as well as the modified I have, and do some dirt oval racing. It'd be something new to me, but yeah, I like this thing. I think it looks amazing. You can run it with or without the wings, make it a wingless sprint car, but I'm gonna leave the wings on. Just think it looks better that way. But let me know guys, what do you think? Is it a thumbs up for you guys, thumbs down? Do you guys do any dirt oval racing where you're from? If you do, let me know. Let me know if you have one of these already. What do you think about it? Anything I should know before I put this in competition on the dirt? Yeah, just let me know what you think, guys. But that's gonna do it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.